Here's our new product, the 3D Simo Mini. It all started in 2013 with our first product, the original 3D Simo. It's the very first multi-material 3D pen in the world. You can set the speed, temperature, and also choose from the default material profiles. You can draw with a variety of materials, including flex, fluorescence, laywood, transparent, thermochrome, and decomposable materials, and so on. But that wasn't enough for us. We've created a tool that would allow you to create anything you wish. The 3D Simo Mini is a smaller and smarter version of the original 3D Simo. It can also solder, burn, and cut things, and you can operate it manually or through your smartphone. So don't be limited by materials, take full advantage of 3D drawing. Draw, fix, and create new things. Each extension is equipped with an automatic detector, so you only need to insert and start to create. With the soldering nozzle, you can fix or create any electrical component. The tip can reach a maximum temperature of 490 degrees. Are you a creative person who likes original items? Using the extension for burning, you can decorate, for example, wooden spoons, a belt, wallet, or your leather shoes. At the same time, you can shape 3D models and printouts. If you're a model maker or handyman, you'll be interested in our extension for cutting plastics and foam materials. You can make a functional RC plane, a ship, a clock, or an amusing sponge for children. These 4 extensions are included in each package. Don't be limited by regular cable and start using our Power Pack. You can power your 3D Simo Mini, mobile phone, MP3, and so on. And if you use our phone app, you can enjoy more fun with a 3D Simo Mini.
The Pup is the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The Pup is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The Pup allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The Pup is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The Pup is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The Pup brings you closer to the ones you love. The Pup can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The Pup comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image. The Pup is your nomad companion. It follows you everywhere. It takes care of everything and lets you focus on what really matters to you. The Pup will bring you new creative scenarios every day, so you can stay up to date with your favorite networks. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. They can all be reached in one click. It will even help you import your documents into Word and Excel.
Have you ever had the experience of being blocked when browsing international websites? Do you hate seeing Error 404 on your screen? Allow us to introduce Butterfly Travel Wi-Fi and its easy steps to break the boundaries of the internet. Let's start by setting up your first Wi-Fi point with Butterfly Travel Wi-Fi. Butterfly Travel Wi-Fi is only the size of a USB flash drive, and, like a normal USB flash drive, it can be powered by plugging into any USB port, such as a USB power outlet, smartphone charger, power bank, or laptop. Connect your devices to the Wi-Fi network name starting with BTFLY and use the password found in the instruction book. In the browser address bar, enter 192.168.154.1 and select a hotspot for Butterfly Travel Wi-Fi. You can choose your home Wi-Fi or any other public network.
Our world has changed drastically over the past decade. With the advent of new technologies, we have seen a revolution in mobility. We can now run our lives from virtually anywhere. The problem? We all want to boost productivity, but how can we do it? Introducing Zcan Wireless, the world's first wireless scanner mouse. Our product is small and portable and gives users more freedom than ever before. It's the ultimate solution for working anywhere with just a click. Everything you scan will display instantly on your computer screen. Work smart and increase your efficiency with Zcan Wireless. It has the ability to scan tables and text in only a few swipes. You can even direct edit on your documents. Plan your romantic journey by using Zcan Wireless. Just glide Zcan Wireless over travel books and magazines and create the ultimate itinerary in a snap. Found something worth sharing with your friends? Simply swipe Zcan Wireless over the area you like and share on your social media pages with a single click. Be an adventurous eater. Zcan Wireless can help you to translate foreign languages and make sure you can try new things and actually know what they are. Zcan Wireless can even organize everything for you. You can conveniently organize your most important notes and meeting minutes and store in Evernote.
Think about the purpose, audience, and where appropriate the format for your writing.
Unique, stylish, and new. FLIPCLIP fits any hardback notebook, easily storing a variety of pens or pencils. And it comes in a range of vibrant colors. The easy-to-use clip mechanism means it can switch between working on a desk to working on the go. A modern tool for modern times. FLIPCLIP.
Technology makes us increasingly mobile. Yet, there are still a few things holding us back. Power banks, external hard drives, countless adapters, and of course, the chunky chargers. That's what living in a modern life was, until now. This is LineDock, the world's first device offering a powerful battery, full connectivity, fast SSD storage, and active cooling. All this in a 9mm cable-free shell. The massive internal battery offers up to 1.5 full charge of any USB-C laptop. Simply connect LineDock using a USB-C cable and free yourself from power outlets and chargers. LineDock slides perfectly in your backpack or laptop sleeve. Thanks to quick charge technology, LineDock lets you charge any mobile device faster so that you never run out of battery on the go. Once connected via USB-C or micro USB, Line offers an integrated SD card reader and up to 512 GB of SSD storage. At the office, LineDock can be used as a true docking station to connect anything to your laptop. Extend your workspace with a dedicated mini display port and connect any external monitor through HDMI. LineDock integrates 4 wireless charging pads. Just place your smartphone over a pad and let it power up.
This is the eBeam Smartpen.
Being a designer, I'm always thinking visually. The eBeam Smartpen lets me save, organize, and even stream everything I sketch and draw, all in real time.
Writing is a very natural form of communication that we can now instantly digitize. This opens up a whole new level of possibilities. This Smartpen keeps you connected in ways you never thought possible.
Whether you're a student taking notes in class, a guy in a meeting, or maybe you just want to handwrite a message to a friend overseas, we're building the most powerful handwriting device out there. If you're as busy as I am, always running around to different locations, you'll be happy to know that with the eBeam Smart Pen, you can stay connected anywhere. Anyone can watch what you're writing in real time.
You can use our Smart Pen with any paper, from letter to B6. In fact, you don't even need paper. You can use the Smart Pen on any flat surface. Just place the small sensor above the writing area and everything will be captured. So say goodbye to constantly buying expensive notepads. Sharing your writing in real time is easy. With the press of a button, you can start a meeting and share the link. Anyone with that link can connect and watch. Connected users can even be given permission to write or draw back, adding their notes to the digital canvas, all from their phone or computer. The eBeam Smart Pen even comes with a stylus nib to make it an all-in-one pen and stylus solution that can be used on any display or on any flat surface without making a mark. This pen is truly smart. If you're handwriting text, the eBeam Smart Pen can recognize what you're writing and convert it to digital fonts for easy editing. You can even use it to send messages to friends and family in a personal and natural way using your preferred text messaging or chatting app like iMessage, WhatsApp, anything. It's your new personal handwriting keyboard. The eBeam Smart Pen connects via the latest Bluetooth BLE technology. No need to pair the device. It'll detect and allow you to connect all automatically with a simple push of a button. The device works using 2 sensor technologies for incredibly accurate location triangulation, so you know that all of your strokes are captured beautifully and accurately.
It's the perfect writing companion to take with you anywhere.
It takes just 2 hours to fully charge using any regular micro USB cable and can be used for 8 hours straight.
Meet Remarkable, the paper tablet. It lets you read, write, and sketch with an extraordinary paper-like feel. Unlike traditional tablets, Remarkable lets you replace your notebooks, sketchbooks, and printed documents without sacrificing the feel of paper. To make Remarkable as paper-like as possible, we developed the groundbreaking Canvas display. Traditional displays constantly radiate light through millions of luminous pixels. Canvas uses black ink particles to simply reflect natural light, making it wonderfully gentle on the eyes. In contrast to glass displays, its surface is matte and lightly textured. It even makes that familiar sound. Canvas display is built on ink rather than light. Electronic ink made up of millions of black particles, carefully controlled on a microscopic level. All powered by Remarkable's powerful processor for optimized control and precision. This makes text and pen strokes appear uniquely crisp, and with its second-to-none latency, it's the world's fastest digital paper. You've never experienced anything like the Canvas display. To complete the paper experience, we designed the marker from scratch. With tilt and pressure detection, the marker lets you direct precise movement, capturing your every gesture. It's wirelessly powered by the tablet. No recharging or pairing needed. You can even rest your hand on the display.
We are Boundary. After months of collaborating with our community, our team is back with a streamlined everyday carry backpack comprised of unbeatable value, quality, and innovation. The Errant pack's technical design breaks the mold of how an affordable EDC enhances your daily rhythm. The Errant's sleek and minimal design adapts to suit the active, the creative, and those looking to get lost. Endless pocketing and modular components allow you to securely organize everything, so you can effortlessly access anything. The exterior is a blend of Duramax Codra, Hypalon, and Boundary's Barricade DWR, keeping water, stains, and dust at bay. Waterproof zippers safeguard organized pockets for quick and fluid access while on the move. At the base of the pack, a 6-liter wet-dry compartment keeps unwanted odors or moisture separated from the Errant's interior. A water-resistant workspace safely stores a 17-inch laptop and a 13-inch tablet with an RML strap. Gusseted high-performance mesh pockets expand and contract for adaptable storage when you need it most. A pack designed to carry just about everything, constructed from fabric meant to go everywhere, with a fit and level of comfort for everyone. As always, the Errant will be manufactured using blue-sign materials and factories, guaranteeing that you acquire a sustainable product. So please support our campaign to bring the Errant pack to life.